You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding AI. Prepare to be amazed at how artificial intelligence is transforming our everyday lives. From making our homes smarter to revolutionizing healthcare, AI is everywhere. Let's start with smart homes. Ever asked Alexa to turn off the lights or play your favorite song? That's AI in action. Smart speakers, thermostats, and security cameras are turning our homes into futuristic hubs. And what about those eerily spot-on recommendations on Netflix or Spotify? Yep, that's AI too. These algorithms analyze your behavior to suggest movies, music, even shopping items you didn't know you needed. It's like having a personal shopper, DJ, and movie critic rolled into one. AI is also making waves in healthcare. Virtual health assistants answer our questions, schedule appointments, and even offer wellness tips. And AI-powered diagnostic tools can detect diseases early, improving treatment outcomes. Now imagine sitting back and letting your car do the driving. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are making autonomous vehicles a reality. AI processes data from sensors and cameras to navigate roads safely. Finally, let's talk about the workplace. Virtual assistants like Cortana and Watson are handling scheduling, emails, and providing data-driven insights. This automation boosts productivity, allowing us to focus on creativity. What are your thoughts on AI? Share your experiences in the comments. And hey, suggest topics for future videos too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates, and hit that notification bell to stay updated.